Hey, what's up guys? Connor from Harvey Woods here. Just wanted to show you guys something real quick that we've been working on over here. Essentially for the real estate side, we've been building this this performance tool right here. Basically it's meant to measure your ability to make smarter decisions as a property investor. Basically, the main page here goes over how it works, how we collect your information or the information, what you input, and then what we output. This site, I should preface by saying, is in beta right now, so there's some things that still are being worked on. But for now, why don't we just get into the main aspect of the site. So it does have full functionality with databases and allowing for logins, admin rights, etc. And so basically, you can create a profile on it, and you can have, your own profile photo or cover photo, a little description of yourself. And in future versions, we will be having, the ability to follow each other so that you can blog about, your own investments and talk about, certain things that you would like to do or whatnot, basically making it an educational tool. So, I already have a couple projects done here, so I'm going to show you the final product. Basically, if we take out, let's go to this one right here. So what's going on here is that, we have all of this information that you put in, and it'll give you the cap rate, the 1% rule, cash flow, ROI, all of the information. Basically, take everything in that you told it and then spit out a percentage based on how good of a investment that this one might be. Obviously, this is showing that it's not a good investment at all. The reason being is that clearly it doesn't hit the 1% rule, which is 1% or higher. Your cash flow is negative, your ROI is terrible. So it's pretty good at recognizing that. Essentially, it gives you a nice little summary here in bold, what you can expect, basically giving you the good and the bad. And then it gives you different scenarios, so how much money you would have in your bank account or your loan amount over a certain period of time. These graphs are in beta stages as well, so these will be prettied up based on you can click a button saying 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 3 years, etc. And then here's all of the information that you would have put in yourself. So why don't we go back out and just give you a quick overview of, we'll give it a project name of test, right? So we'll go create a new project, and since it is in beta, this is one of those add-ons as well that will be including the Zillow API to basically improve the process, and we'll take in all of the information that on the property that you looked up, and then it'll fill in everything for you. But for now, we have to put it in all of ourselves, so we'll just go 51 Main Street here in test. Let's go, is that Arizona? California, let's go California. And I'm just putting in some random examples here, guys, so bear with me. I'm going to pause the video for now, but essentially what's going on is we're just putting in more information on all of these things, and then you go through property, you go through income, expenses, assets, and debts, and what the program basically does is it runs through the algorithm and lets you know whether or not it's a good investment or not. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the program, because this is just putting in information based on property values.